Hey guys, it's Chef Paula and Cooking with Stars. We're back. It's taken 19 months, but we're about to launch our in-person cooking classes at the Friedberg JCC, Ezra Center for People with Disabilities, every Wednesday at 12 noon starting on October 6th. Guys, we're going to make nutritious, delicious, and easy recipes. Here's an example, our skillet broccoli mac and cheese. We'll be doing soups, and we'll be doing lunch dishes, dinner dishes, holiday dishes, seasonal brunch dishes, and best of all, at the end of each session, all of our chefs get together, sample their food, comment on it, and socialize. So if you have an interest in these classes, and I certainly hope you do, send us an email to fgarcia@friedbergjcc.org. See you in the kitchen.